Pag nanonood ng mga fans natin dito sa Shakey's B-League sa TV, ibang-iba kapag dito naman dito sa live, no? Nakikita yung pagkakaiba ng dalawang teams, lalo na off the court, hindi lang sa court mismo. Sa Army, relax lang, tumatawa, nag-i-enjoy, pati si Coach Rico, umuupo lang at ang biro pa niya sa akin ay hindi siya magsasalita dahil baka lalo mahawa sila sa kanya, baka pati ako damay. Samantalang pag dinalaw niyo ang bench ng Lady Tamaraws, medyo natatahimik ang mga players at lalong hindi natutuwa si Coach Shaq dahil nakukulangan ng fighting spirit. Para sa kanya, sana sinamantala nila ang laban na ito para pakitaan naman ng konti kung sino ang FEU team. Last hurrah na ito, pero sigurado hindi ito ang last lesson. Makakausap din natin sila Giselle T at si Coach Shaq tungkol sa experience nila sa Shakey's B-League na ito maya-maya. Back to you, Noreen and Mosey.
Thanks, Bianca.
Well, tama nga naman, minsan wala naman alam mo na you're on your way out, wala ka namang hinahabol. Yun ang gusto makita ni Coach Shaq, yung mag-relax. Relax naman kayo, just play your game kasi tiwala nga siya na sa practice, ang ganda ng pinapakita.
That's right. At alam niya, yung capacity, like we always say, the capacity and the capability of itong mga players na sa FEU.
Hindi naman niya siguro hihingan na sobra-sobra sa hindi niya nakikita yon.
That's right. And if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, nice serve.
Let's see. Tip there. Bautista.
And she will not even go for a tip. You know, just went off, hit the ball as hard as she could, and took away the point.
That's right. Pero maganda, alam mo, maganda talaga showing dito sa third set tong FEU. Mairatay. Back to Nene.
Yan, ngayon naman, tip naman. Saka dikit na dikit dun sa antena, sa net. Yung kung ikaw man yung nasa kabila, tatatlong isip ka. Remy Palma. Sumunod naman kay Coach Shaq, pero mas mahirap pa nga yung ginawa. Challenge the blockers of the Philippine Army.
You know, for me, FEU, lalo na sila Palma, they have to use their quickness Kasi it's obvious right now that Army's kind of laxing diba? Parang relaxing sila So, if you're FEU, gusto mong gamitin yung quickness mo.
Kaya nga sabi ni Coach, gamitin niyo yung utak niyo. Kailangan mag-isip kayo, ano ba advantage niyo? Diba? Tama naman yun.
Good serve by C. Iratay. Army.
Combination play, pero si Agno. Ganda ng dig.
Oh! Torres, nagulat ako.
Yan ang gusto ni Coach Shaq, magulat siya Yan yun. Yan yung hinahanap niya. Gusto niya magulat siya ng magulat.
But you know, can you imagine the future of this FEU squad? You have so much athletic ability.
Remy Palma this time doing almost a Tina Salak kind of tip. FEU with 3 attack points. Ito ang Philippine Army with 4. Pero ang Philippine Army 2 block points already. FEU with 1. Agno 8 digs. Itong Sinunag having 3. And Agno with 8. With 12 receptions. Sinunag with only 3.
Well, don't look now. It's just a 1-point lead. Kanina actually tied. And Rexona, antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. C. Back to Palma. Sabas. Back in.
Rachel with the help of the net.
Diba? Alam naman niya, swerte siya diba?
At saka mahirap din yung kinuwanan niya na second ball. Galing sa likod.
Yeah.
Tapos medyo short pa.
Pati palo niya short. Pero
nagulat nga ako na pinalo pa rin niya That's what you get when you have veteran players.
That's right.
They'll just try to go for it every time.
A good coverage. Bautista on the other hand. C. Back to Pons.
Sayang yun. That was really close.
Pero maganda talaga yung ugali ni Bernadette Pons, no?
Talagang laban lang kung laban. I think she's carried yung scoring for the FEU squad.
Good serve by Jeannie Sabas. A service. Yun ang sayang eh. FEU, in-equalize na nila at 11 apiece. Ngayon, 15 na naman. 15-11. So, 4
Palun
point
na naman to a 4-point lead itong Philippine Army.
Not a good
Kargado
serve.
eh, no?
Oh.
Yung serve ni Sabas. But Palma, once again, yung confidence kanina, nasa kanya naman na yan.
Kailangan, you broaden your horizon eh. You have to have your court sense.
And plus, quick adjustment kasi rally point system. Hindi pwede naglilinger-linger ka.
That's right. And an ace service by Palma. Oh. Unforced errors again. But FEU again still with a good showing dito sa third set. 13-16.
Ako si Mary Jean Balse ng Philippine Army Lady Troopers. At kayo'y nanood ng Shakey's B-League Season 10 Open.